Hello everyone. Today I'm going to revive this Samsung a26 5G. Okay, I'm going to use. Hey. Okay, I'm gonna use my. Oh my god. Oh, there it is. Android. Oh my god. I'm gonna use it right today. It's working. What should I choose? Next. Agree to all. Set up manually. Should I? Oh my god. So I'm gonna connect to this network. Yep, it's connected. So next, I'm gonna create this Google account for this, okay? Fighters needs to restart. What the hell? Okay, I'm going to be right back. And there we go. Getting your phone ready. Oh my god, I'm gonna. So we're going to use charge boost mode, okay? Okay. Let me my connections. I'm gonna plug into your. Okay, and now ready. Oh, okay. So that's charging. Check your charger connection. Okay. Getting your phone ready. This might take a few minutes. Fine, I'll be right back again. Okay. Don't copy. Checking info. I'm going to go to log into the Google account. Okay. Next, and a password. Okay. There we go. I agree. Getting account info. Skip with this. Skip anyway. Okay. Accept. Okay.